Mornings are already tough for so many people, and so making breakfast, well, it shouldn't be. Check out health and fitness expert Stephanie Mansour's 5-minute meal solution.
Hi, Dr. Ian. I'm so excited to share with you my egg veggie bake. To start, all you need are 3 of your favorite vegetables. I've got 1 pepper, some broccoli, and also a big bag of spinach. You'll also need a dozen eggs, a little bit of olive oil, and your favorite seasonings. Spray a 9x13 pan. Then we're gonna add a couple tablespoons of olive oil to your pan on the stove. Turn the pan onto low heat. Finally, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. So I'm gonna add in a big bag of this spinach. I love this. We've got tons of vitamin C in here, lots of other nutrients. Next, I'm gonna add about 2 cups of another veggie. So like I said, I'm using broccoli, and 1 cup of a third veggie. These are my peppers. While the veggies are steaming on the stove, you wanna start cracking your eggs. So cracking a dozen eggs into a bowl, and then we're gonna whisk them up. After you crack the eggs, go ahead and add your favorite seasoning. I use a bunch of pink sea salt, and then I also use some ground pepper. But you can get creative. You can use red pepper flakes or any other seasonings or herbs that you like. Once you add in your seasoning, then you whisk. After about 5 minutes, you can take the veggies off the heat. Now, Dr. Ian, I'm a little bit lazy when it comes to cooking, so I don't need the spinach to be completely wilted or the veggies to be really cooked. That's why we're gonna put them in the oven. So what we're gonna do is get everything out and into the pan. Spread the veggies to make sure they're covering the entire bottom of your 9x13 pan. And then once that's done, go ahead and drizzle the egg mixture over top. Now it's time to put the egg veggie bake in the oven. That's where the magic happens. We stick this in there for 30 minutes at 400 degrees. It's been 30 minutes. Oh my gosh. This is going to be 6 servings, so 6 breakfasts, chock full of protein, veggies, nutrients, fiber, and a great pre or post workout meal.
Yum, does that look good? For this recipe and others from Stephanie, just go to our website, thedoctorstv.com.